Welcome to this video, guys. So let's quickly fix the issue of can't connect to MySQL server on 127.0.0.1 colon 3306. So let me show you what I'm talking about. You might be seeing this in your application or in your code. I'm showing this error from command line because the basic problem is the same, that you cannot connect to MySQL server. Okay, so in your case, you might be seeing 127.0.0.1 instead of localhost. Is the same thing. That's the IP address of localhost. So the quick fix is to start MySQL service. It basically means that MySQL service is not running. So what you can do is, I'll show you the GUI way because I've been told that you don't like commands. So first press your Windows key and go to services. Click on any service here and then press M so that you are scroll down to the M services section, and here you will see MySQL 80. Just right click on it and click on start. And once this is done, you can go back to your terminal and try this again. And now, as you can see, I am connected to the MySQL server. So this is the simplest cause. Now, if your issue is still not fixed and if you're still getting the same error, there might be an issue that is your port 3306 is being used by other application. Now, in that case, you'll have to enter this command. So the command is natstat ANO pipe symbol and then find str3306. Now it will show you the list of applications that are using port 3306. So in my case, I'm seeing 3306 because my MySQL service is running, right? So if I stop the service, okay, let's just go to services and then stop what we just started, that is MySQL. And let's check the port again using this command natstat ANO find string s3306. This time, as you can see, I won't see port 3306 on localhost or other IP address that we had seen initially. Now this is a different thing. You can ignore this. Okay, you need to see 0.0.0.0.3306 or localhost 3306 or 127.0.0.1 local 3306. So if that is the case, you need to change the port in MySQL's my.inf file because 3306 is being used by other application. So there are two options. You either close the current application that is using 3306 or run MySQL on another port. So let's see how we can do that. We need to go to my.inf file, that is wherever your MySQL is installed. In Windows, the default is inside program data, inside MySQL, inside MySQL server. Here you will see this my.inf file. Just double click on it and open it using Notepad. Scroll down to this MySQLD section. Here you should see the port, that is 3306. Now if I change this to 3307 and save this and run my MySQL service again, and now if I try to run this, where is it? I should be able to connect. Now I'll not be able to connect because my port is not 3306 anymore. So you'll have to change your port number where you're connecting also. So the command is host is localhost and then port 3307. 3306 is the default that is accepted by all the applications. Now if you change the port, you will have to define that the port is 3307. Okay, why am I getting this error? Let's see if our service is listening. Okay, as you can see, we are listening on port 3307. Okay, so it is saying MySQL host unknown. Let's see how we can fix this. Let's try to just enter the port without the host, and this time use capital P, not small p. Small p is for password, capital is for port. Okay, let's hit enter this time, and as you can see, it works. So now what we did is we changed the MySQL port to use 3307 instead of 3306 because 3306 was being used by another application, and then we just connect to MySQL on port 3307. So these are the top two ways to fix that issue. If you still have problems, you can go to MySQL server, go inside data, go inside your username.err, it will show you the error. And if you're not able to fix this, just check the error and let me know in the comments below. I will help you out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.